Do you want to make animated video like that after the intro? Hello guys, good evening or good morning. It depends when you are watching us in the morning or in the evening. You are welcome anytime in our channel TechZone. Vielleicht von Deutschland, hässlich vorkommen, for Italian benvenuti, for French enchanté, for Spanish hola. Today we can speak about how to make photo animated. With Meta AI, you can choose video. Oh, sorry, I forget. Sorry. But right now, as you see, I will upload a video. It's will not work. So I will repeat it again. You see the plus, click on it and just choose your image, and then after it, choose from image, change it to video, and write your animated what you like to do. For me, I write make him laugh, as you see, so it's not a problem at all. And right now he will start to create the move which I like, or the emotion which I like. I let you the article in description box. You can make it so easy, and on the article you will find the link of Meta AI. It's work directly, so it's not a problem at all. You can go on it and start to click in Meta AI in the link, and it will work. As you see, it's finished. As you see, the laugh and the way it will move the head, so it's a very nice. Also, if you click on it, it will change you. You can add a music or add some style for the video, so it's not only the end. For now, I can say to you, don't forget to visit the article, and also you can download the video here from Click Up and download it directly. So for now, I believe that's all. If you have any question, just write us in comment or visit our Telegram group. For now, I can say to you, see you soon and goodbye.